see what we got. Oh. Hey, it's Lyndsay and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first mukbang taste test of 2021. I ate sushi and they offered to give me another box to try. I was like, me? You gonna give me a box of sushi? All right, you guys, here we go. Let's see what we got. Oh my God. What? Let's get into the taste test because literally the only roll I've had before is this fresh roll. Everything else is gonna be brand new to me. Also, how have you been? I feel like we haven't spoken since Vlogmas. I actually launched my store, Shop Sketches and stuff, which I do custom watercolor portraits, and I sell some like wall art designs that I've illustrated, and it's all download, so no physical products. You can buy it and instantly download it. And I've actually had some customers, which is crazy. So I'm so excited. If you guys want a custom watercolor portrait, Valentine's Day, if you have like a baby or pets or something, it's what I love to do, so I'm really hoping that this takes off. Yeah, it would mean the world to me if you checked out my shop, and if you wanted to pick something up, that'd be even crazier. But let's get into the food. I think we should start with the mango roll because this one looked like it's just so fresh with that mango topping. First bite, let's go. What? Why does that work? I mean, anything from this place at this point I know will work, but why does mango on sushi work? If you like mango, this is the paradise roll and it's bomb. With the amount of hunger that I have right now, I normally do 2 at a time, but I'm just gonna wait it out and let's just try every single roll one by one. Okay, so this is another one that I haven't tried. I'm so excited to try this. This is a tiger roll. The avocado topping with the crispy shallots and the sweet chili sauce. Oh my God, let's go. Spicy tuna on the inside, let's freaking go. Okay, that's actually bomb. Oh my God. Next up, I'll go for the fresh roll, which that one's a little stuck. Let's do it. You can really taste the searing of the tuna. It is so good. So this is the umami roll, which is seared tuna, house crab mix, base, cucumber, eel sauce, and tempura flake. Oh man, this looks so good. All right, let's do it. That one's really good. Okay, I don't know if my favorite so far of the new ones is this or this one. Okay, so I think this roll is the Oh My God roll, which is Manila-based roll topped more with baked house special, imitation crab mix, tempura flakes, eel sauce, spicy mayo, and masago, I think. All right, let's do it. Oh my God, that's really good. That's really freaking good. One more of these crunchies. This sounds like it was planned, and I promise you it isn't, but I think this one's my favorite now. I feel like every time I go down and have another one, I'm like, this is my new favorite. I don't think I ever had a seared tuna before. I had seared salmon. Okay, so let's try the unagi roll. Now, I Google it. Unagi is the Japanese word for freshwater eel, especially the Japanese eel. Well, there you go. Okay, so let's get a good piece. Hi, helicopter, plane, whatever you are. All right, let's do it. You guys. For real? This one is awesome. Now we're up to the deep fried roll, which is tempura batter, deep fried, spicy tuna roll, topped with crunchies, okay sauce, eel sauce, spicy mayo, masago, and a word I can't pronounce. The final roll to try for the first time. Oh my God. Every time I think I'm nailing down the flavors, it's like another flavor is happening. Even the tuna in the actual roll looks different than like any other sushi I've seen. This is fire. Like if you're in Los Angeles, you gotta try this place out. Thank you again to Chef Margot and Chef Matt for hooking your girl up. Okay, let's do it. Biting didn't work. You just gotta go for it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this taste test mukbang of I Ate Sushi. Again, all their information will be linked below, and seriously go check them out. We gotta support small businesses. And comment down below what other places you want me to try. I'm gonna try to get back in the start of making these videos again because I took a little break, but we are back. It is 2021, positivity, new year, let's go. And until next time, I'll see ya, bye. Oh, I'm so far away. And with that, we save for later.